Good Wednesday, everyone. Looking at our USA mortgage level of concern, we're level 1 today, and that's because of an elevated wildfire danger, especially this afternoon. Humidity levels are going to be really low. We're going to have a little bit of a breeze out there, so outdoor burning is strongly discouraged. And before you burn anything, you better call and make sure that you're even allowed to burn, because different counties have different rules, and you sure don't want to get in trouble with that. Premier Generators bringing us our severe weather outlook, monitoring Sunday. You guys know I've been talking about this now for a couple of days now, and it still looks like something to monitor. The Storm Prediction Center continues to highlight our area in the threat. In fact, it's a very extensive area. Warm, humid air is coming up into the eastern portion of the U.S. We have an active jet stream overhead that's expected. And so all the basic ingredients in the long-range outlooks look to be coming together. The specifics of where will the strongest storms be, what time will those strongest storms be. Right now it's looking like a night event to me, which I don't have to really go out on a limb to forecast that, because most of our severe weather events are at night. But anyway, I'll keep an eye on things, and I'll keep the forecast updated from now till Sunday. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us that 5-day forecast. Mostly sunny today, highs near 60. And a northwest breeze gusting to 20. So that's why we have that elevated wildfire danger this afternoon. Humidity levels a little lower today than they were yesterday, so that's why the fire danger is a little bit higher today. Tomorrow, very light south breeze at 5 miles per hour. You may not even feel it. And a chance now for PM showers. Those showers that were going to come in Thursday night into Friday morning, that's kind of spread out a little bit more now. Excuse me, and I can see us getting an isolated shower on Thursday. Nothing to cancel outdoor plans over. Highs in the mid 60s. And then Friday, we get into the low 70s with a continued chance for early morning showers. It starts getting windy again on Friday. Southwest at 10, gusting to 20. Saturday, we start seeing south winds gusting to 25, and some afternoon and evening showers possible as it looks right now. I'll fine-tune that forecast as we get closer, about a 50% chance for those showers. It's basically a weather-aware weekend. I think Saturday's going to be okay, but Sunday we're going to have to be weather-aware. And like I said, I'll work on the timing of that and see if that needs to be a Sunday night weather-aware event, or if it's just all day Sunday. This could be an extended severe weather threat. Highs in the low 70s on Saturday, low 70s on Sunday, so we're definitely warm enough for storms, and we'll just see how everything else comes together. Our precipitation forecast, 10th of an inch or less tomorrow and Friday, getting on up into a little bit more rain in the bucket on Saturday, and then especially on Sunday. Extended threats brought to us by Weichert Realtors. We'll get to this weekend. And then we've got another possible heavy rain threat, it looks like, on the 3rd and 4th of April. Of course, I'll have to monitor that for severe weather potential, as well as that is in the prime severe weather time for the Cumberland Plateau. So not looking like not anything standing out just yet, but it's definitely looking like a heavy rain threat. On this day in weather history, brought to us by Bramall Travel, 1971. Listen to this. Parts of northern and central Georgia experienced their worst snow and ice storm since 1935. 2-day power outages ruined 2 million eggs at poultry hatches. 2 persons were killed when a tree landed on their car. Here in Crossville, we reported 3 inches of snow at that event. 2013, the high temperature at the Crossville airport was only 33 degrees. Yikes. That's a little chilly for this time of the year. You folks have a wonderful Wednesday. Keep looking up. For more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.